In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an event type in Calendly. We'll walk through a quick, clear process to update the essentials of an event you've already set up. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to change the title, description, or meeting location, and how to save your changes with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. Log into your account the way you normally do. After you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, look for the Scheduling tab. It's the place where Calendly groups your event types, so you can manage them all in one spot. Go ahead and click Scheduling to view your existing events. Next, find the specific event type you want to modify. This is the tile or listing that represents the meeting your invitees book, such as a consultation or check-in. When you've located it, look for the three dots icon next to that event. Those three dots open a small menu with quick actions. Click the three dots, and then choose Edit. This takes you into the editing view for that event type. Inside the editor, you can adjust the core details that your invitees will see. Start with the title. Keep it clear and specific so people know exactly what they're booking. For example, use language that reflects the purpose of the meeting. Then review the description. This is a great place to set expectations, share what you'll cover, or note any preparation your invitee should do ahead of time. For the meeting location, choose the option that fits how you plan to meet. You can set it to automatically generate a Zoom or Google Meet link, select a phone call, or specify a physical address. Pick the option that aligns with your workflow and what your guests will expect to receive in their confirmation. Once you've made the updates you want, it's time to save. Look for a button labeled Save and Close or Save Changes. Click that to confirm your edits. Calendly will apply your updates and they'll be reflected the next time someone books this event type. If you don't see your changes right away on the event preview, give the page a quick refresh to confirm everything is up to date. That's it. You've logged in, opened the Scheduling tab, selected your event, clicked the three dots, chosen Edit, updated the title, description, or location, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you make your edits.